เสร็จCome on, Eddie. Good boy.
Cơm cho cháu.
How is it? Good, huh?
At Dr. Kim's office, he mentioned Andy's runny nose. For 15 years, Andy refused to wear jackets or sweaters. This time, Elizabeth and I went to different stores to buy him a shirt. We also bought him a sweater just in case. We put the shirt on him while we were in the store without any incident.
Not bad, isn't it?
At home, he agitated and vented frustration at James for a short period of time,
Andy,
but was
you
okay after that.
Andy.
As Andy sleeps peacefully, I feel so happy. At last, Andy agrees to wear a shirt